Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to whiten yellow teeth and to get teeth whitening at home with very simple ingredients. You can whiten yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white naturally, and my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use you will notice a great results, but using that remedy protects the enamel and help tremendously in whitening yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white. It fights any black of the teeth and it fights the teeth tartar naturally. The first ingredient we need is 1 lemon, and add half of a lemon like so. Then we need to add a pinch of salt, just regular table salt. Then add a pinch of baking soda. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder, يعني كي healthy. And mix well the ingredients. Then we need 1 carrot and we need to grate it like so. And we need to add around 1 teaspoon of carrot grate like that. After mixing all the ingredients, place it onto a toothbrush like so and brush your teeth with this remedy. Will whiten the teeth naturally and will get you teeth whitening at home with very simple ingredients, my friends. Repeat this twice a day to protect your enamel and to get teeth whitening naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.